Is chemistry really difficult, or is it our approach that made it so? Before I start this video, I want to apologize for not being active for some while. I had some things I needed to take care of behind the scene, but I'm back now. Thank you for your time and thank you for your patience. Now, while I was trying to sort some things out, I also took the opportunity to ask some students questions. I tried to find out what they know about chemistry and the challenges they have in chemistry. And from my observation, I realized that most of the students still haven't understand what chemistry is all about. Now, it's not because they are dull or because they are not brilliant. No, it's because they have not been able to understand the language of chemistry. Now, let me be honest with you. Chemistry is one of the most difficult subjects. During my secondary school days, I literally had issues with chemistry. I tried everything I could do. I tried memorizing the formulas and the equations. I tried cramming my notes. I tried everything I could do over and over. And I still wasn't understanding the language of chemistry. Not because it was hard, but because I haven't been able to understand the concept of chemistry. And this is where I come in. So for the purpose of this video, I will be explaining why students see chemistry as a difficult subject and give you the proven ways on how you can improve your chemistry skills. Now let's dive into it. Number one challenge students have in chemistry is understanding the concept. Chemistry is a subject that deals with atoms, molecules, elements, and these subjects are not things that you can see, unlike in biology where you visualize everything, where you can see the organs. In chemistry, you don't see it. And when students are being taught what they can't see, they don't understand it. So one issue they have is understanding the concepts without seeing it. Number two issues students have in chemistry is mathematical calculations. From gas laws to molecular concepts to chemical equilibrium, everything in chemistry is mathematics. Chemistry is not only theoretical or practical, it is also applied mathematics. Students who struggle with mathematics will also have issues in chemistry. And when they don't understand the mathematical aspect of chemistry, the subject becomes difficult for them to understand. The number three issues they have is cramming. Most students try to cram the equations, try to cram the formulas without understanding what is going on. In chemistry, you don't cram. Now, when they don't understand the formulas, when they don't understand it without asking questions, they fall off with it. And because they don't understand what happened or what brought about those equations and those formulas, the fear comes in. And once the fear comes in, you fall off with chemistry. The number four challenge students have is connecting chemistry to life. Most of them believe that chemistry is only in their textbooks. They don't have a way of connecting it to real life. So when you teach them things over and over, and when you don't practicalize what you teach them, when they don't see any demonstration, any real life experience or practical, they don't understand it. And then they will only believe that chemistry is in their textbooks because they haven't seen the practical explanation of it. And that is number four challenge, which is the strongest challenge students have, is foundation. Foundation matters in chemistry. What do you teach? How do you teach them? I have been in this situation when the students will walk up to me and tell me, "Ma'am, I don't understand. Please, can you start from the basics?" Not because they have not been taught chemistry before, but because the teachers are not breaking down. Now, when a foundation is not strong, the building collapses. How you teach the students matters. What you tell them, how you break down the subject also matters. So when they have poor foundation in chemistry, they won't understand even the complex ones. Here are the 5 proven ways on how you can improve your chemistry skills dramatically. Understand the abstracts. Chemistry is a subject that deals with imaginations and visualization. So it is expected that you think scientifically. How can you be able to understand electronic configuration? You don't see it. You don't see the atoms. You don't see the molecules. You don't even know how they are arranged in their shells. Now, how will you be able to understand? That is where your imagination and your thinking comes in. So chemistry is a subject that needs you to think scientifically. It requires your brain to be at work all the time. So when it's being taught, you need to understand that it is not a subject you see, rather it is a subject that you need to make use of your imagination. So try to draw the structures, try to draw the orbitals. Once you have the structure of your orbitals, structure of the atoms, how they behave, it becomes very easy for you. Second way you can improve your chemistry skills is to stop cramming. Ask questions. In chemistry, try to understand what happened. Stop cramming those formulas, stop cramming those equations. Try to understand what happened. Ask questions. Know the secrets behind those reactions. Was there any physical change? Was there any chemical change? What are the factors affecting this reaction? These are the questions you need to know for you to be able to understand what happened in a given reaction. And when you understand factors that happened, when you ask questions to know if new substance was formed, if anything happened during the equation, when you understand what happened during the equation, it becomes very easy for you that you can identify the equation or the formula in whatever way it may come. Connect chemistry to life. Chemistry is not only in your textbooks, it's in your kitchen, it's in your life, from the food you eat to the clothes you wear to everything we do, even to water. So everything is chemical equation. So when you understand that acid and base is in your kitchen, you understand that exothermic and endothermic reaction occurs all the time, you understand that things we do, that matter is everything around us, then you understand that chemistry and life is interconnected, and chemistry is simply life in motion. So that is it. The number 4 thing you can do is to find your own language. If it sounds bulky to you, if it sounds hard to you, find your own language. Find the meaning of those words. Practice your mathematical calculations. Every day, try to solve 5 to 10 questions in calculations. Steady practice increases speed and increases understanding. So when you practice your mathematics often, practice the equations and the formulas, it becomes very simple. And when the understanding comes in, everything becomes easy and clear to understand. And the last point is learn chemistry from one who has understood the basis. And this is where I come in. So what are the topics you think are challenging to you? Write down in the comment section and let us talk about it. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please like this video, share with your friends, let them share with their friends, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.